How to use links with pictures in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add images or pictures and use them with links. The process is very easy and very simple. So you're going to head over your admin dashboard of your Mailchimp platform. But before I proceed to the procedure, I'm going to explain for you a little bit about Mailchimp. So Mailchimp is going to be a mailing platform that will help you to create some mailing and SMS campaigns that will allow you to grow up your e-commerce activity or any activity that you're going to make that needs to be set up with emails, or it is going to need some email to create a base for a loyal customers or loyal clients, and also for the objective of informing some clients or some people about something going on. So the process for subscribing to this channel or this specific platform is very easy. So you are going to head over mailchimp.com. Then you are going to sign up with an account. You can go ahead and use your Google account or a simple email account. Once you have created that, you're going to see your admin dashboard as it is. So here we can integrate the MailChimp to multiple platforms. We have such stores like Shopify, we have WooCommerce, we have Squarespace stores, and a lot of integration. You can find them in here in the integration section on the left side of the screen. So you are going to see this dashboard or the control panel for that specific platform. When you click on integration, you're going to discover all type of integration that we have. So as you can see here, we have Canva and Zapier, which are, let's say here, some benefits for this platform to create some automation with Zapier and also some designs or importation of images or email. Let's say here, illustrations for from Canva to this specific area. Now, I'm going to head over here to the home section and we're going to click on create email. So I'm going to start creating our email. Here we are going to see that we are going to select one of the email design we have from scratch, which is going to be built from zero. So you are going to fully customize everything in your email. Basic layout, which is going to be here a simple preset, and the fully designed template, which is going to be not free, but it is going to be a lot of, let's say here, a visual exploration for your email campaigns. So I'm going to head over the basic layout. I'm going to select one of the layouts in here, and then we are going to see this editor. This is the new editor of Mailchimp. We've had before the old editor, which was showing up from the right side. Here it is going to be the same work, the same process. It is much cleaner than the before one. So here, as you can see, we can add the image in here. So I'm going to add an image. I'm going to browse from the images and we are going to see something like this one. I'm going to insert an image in here. So I'm going to give you a simple example how we can use the link with the image or with the picture. So this image is static. So whenever, if I want someone, for example, whenever they are going to open up the email to get the image, read the image and get it into another, or get them to another website, like maybe our store. So we are going to have here our store set up, or another website to inform them for more information or something like that. I'm going simply to have the image clicked. I'm going to click on here, and from design, as you can see here on the left side of the screen, we're going to see the properties of the image, like the size, the alignment of it, and also the linking. So the alternative text, color, and padding are going to be here something personalized, but here the link to, you're going to click on it. We have web address or URL, email address, for example, we have phone number, we have file. So whenever they are going to click, they are going to have a file to be downloaded, a landing page. As you can see, if you have created some landing pages within your MailChimp account. And finally, you're going to see that we have anchors. So you can use the link right there and link it to an anchor, an actual anchor in the same email. So it will take them here up, down, or up top or down in here. So we are going to use the link or start by using it for a website, which is going to be the basic one. So we are going to allow the open or the opened link in a new tab. For example, I'm going to head over here and get our Canva website or the Canva website in here. So we are going to paste the link in here. So I'm going to preview the email. So whenever we are going to send this email to a person, so they are going to open it into the desktop version, the mobile version, or the inbox version. So you are going to see here the inbox preview. Here I'm going to wait for it, but I'm going to let it as it is. So we're going to head over to desktop. This is the image. And as you can see, the mouse cursor has turned into a hand that is going to have a thumb and also the index out to be clicking. So that means that it is going to click. When you click, it will take you directly to that URL. So basically that was very simple. So here you can see that this is working. I have here the link working. Thank you. So we are going to click on it and then we are going to change it. For example, I'm going to use an anchor. So we are going to create here, for example, a heading. I'm going to have here a heading into this. So I'm going to make the email a little bit longer and longer. So I'm going to add here some paragraphs like that. Maybe I'm going to add here, let's say some socials, and we are going to make it a little bit scrollable. So I'm going to add a paragraph in here or a heading in here. This is, for example, end email. I'm going to put it as this. We're going to select the text. I'm going to click on anchor. We are going to type in the anchor name without the capital letters, like here, here end of the email. I'm going to click on save. I've anchored it, so we are going to click on here on the image, and then we are going simply to head over the link, select anchor. We have an anchor which is going to be end. We're going to click on preview. Now we are going to see the actual version of the anchor. So if I click on the image, normally it will scroll down a little bit until we see the header that we've had. So boom, this is it. Click and email, click and email. This is very simple. So if you want to do that into multiple images, you can add in here some layouts. And as you can see, we have multiple layouts, for example, for 3 images. I'm going to have here the layouts in here. I'm going to add an image here, and also an image here. So we can click on each one of the images, and then we can go ahead and browse an image, add it to that specific area like this. I'm going to add it in here. So we are going to start filling up the empty images like this one. I'm going to add another or a third image here. Let's see, maybe this one. I'm going to click on here. This is just for the, let's say, presentation purpose. I'm going to click on here. I can have this linked to something, and this one also to another website. And this final one is going to be also linked to another one. So basically, when you finish setting up all the links in here, go ahead and click on save and exit, and then you can go ahead and start sending up your email just like that. And here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you on the next one.